With the government moving to increase mandatory minimum sentences for serious offences, the opposition leader is concerned those changes will worsen the already overburdened correctional and court systems. Speaking in the House of Representatives on Tuesday, Mark Golding referenced, for example, the 15-year minimum sentence for an illegal gun.
That means the gun court is going to be faced with a situation in which, unless the plea bargaining system can become very actively used, which it has not so far, we're going to have a much higher percentage of cases going to trial than are disposed of through guilty pleas and so on. Because the inducement to plead guilty will not be there when you're staring at a mandatory minimum sentence, which is a significant period of time.
Golding was responding to a statement from the Justice Minister, who tabled two pieces of legislation: the Offences Against the Person Amendment and the Criminal Justice Administration Amendment Bills. Under the Offences Bill, the proposal is to increase the mandatory minimum sentence from 15 to 45 years.
Mandatory minimum sentence to be served before eligible for parole where the offence is capital murder, from 20 years to 50 years, under Section 31CA, which deals with eligibility for parole. 3, increasing the mandatory minimum sentence to be served before being eligible for parole, where the sentence is imprisonment for life from 15 years to 45 years.
Regarding the Criminal Justice Administration Bill, the proposal is to amend Section 42F to increase the life imprisonment term for murder from 30 to 50 years.
The starting point for calculating the reduction in the sentence is usually life imprisonment, and the aim of this proposed amendment is to maintain an incentive scheme for defendants to plead guilty while ensuring that the reduced sentence is not inordinately low, having regard to the various nature of the offence.
Both legislation will be discussed at a joint select committee of Parliament.